What's up, everyone? Out here on the RSV4, and today we're going to do the front tire change on it, and we're actually going to go up to Motor Bike Works up in Frisco, Texas today. MBW is a motorcycle shop based in Frisco, and they come to you if you need to, or you go to them. Either or works for them, which is really cool of them. They have a really nice trailer, like top notch, very clean, everything is just organized. It's very satisfying. Their shop is really cool too, as you'll see later in the video today. I first got introduced to them from fellow riders when they first started their company and everything. That was a few years back. They've been doing it for a while, and they definitely have grown. It's amazing where they come from, and they definitely deserve more support and more people going to them because they are awesome. This will be my second time going up there to get my front tire now. I did my rear a few months back, and they did an amazing job with it, so I figured why not make a video on it, just show them some love, some support, and hopefully some of y'all who are needing your bikes worked on, some apparel, some gear or whatnot, accessories, they'll do it for you. And just by the way, I am not paid, sponsored, or anything by them. This is just me making a video for them because I want to. Because I just want to show everyone what a great company they are, a business, just what every business should strive for, like just their customer support, just they're down to earth, they're fellow riders, so they know what's up. So you really don't have to worry, the people there, they know what they're doing. So without further ado, I'll see y'all in the shop.